Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to streamline your daily tasks with Todoist, we've got just the guide for you. Today, we're going to explore how to create labels for personal and work tasks in Todoist. First things first, let's open up Todoist. Now navigate to the left side of your screen and click on the plus symbol next to Labels. This helps us because labels act as tags that aid in searching and sorting tasks based on your unique criteria, be it by time, location, or your energy level. Type in your desired label name in the text box that appears and press Enter. The reason we do this is to help us distinguish between different types of tasks. For instance, you could create labels like home, work, urgent, or even low energy. Next up, let's label a task. Click on the task you want to label, then click on the @ symbol at the bottom of the task window. A drop-down menu with your created labels will appear. Select the appropriate label. This is a crucial step because it helps us assign context to our tasks, making them easier to manage. Now that we've done that, let's look at how to use these labels. Go to the search bar at the top and type @ followed by the name of your label. All tasks with that label will appear. This helps us because it enables us to focus on specific tasks based on our current context or priority. The great thing about labels is that you can assign multiple labels to a single task. This is useful when a task falls under several categories. For example, a task can be both at home and at urgent. Just click on the @ symbol in the task window again and select another label. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and utilize labels in Todoist. Remember, labels are a powerful tool in your productivity kit. By using them strategically, you can make your task management more efficient and context-specific. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on Todoist. Until next time, happy tasking.